In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can gift a battle pass here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do once you're loaded into the game is actually tab over to the passes section just like so and choose whatever battle pass it is that you want to go ahead and gift. Obviously now there is the standard battle pass. You're also going to have the OG pass, music pass, and the Lego pass. Essentially go ahead and select the battle pass itself. And then down in the bottom right, you're going to see a gift the pass option on here. Go ahead and select that. Choose whatever friend it is that you want to gift the pass to. For example, and obviously you don't want to do anyone that actually already owns it, like Ashton, right? You'd essentially go ahead and select him, and then of course you'd be able to gift it to him just like so. However, just keep in mind it's not going to charge V-Bucks for this. You're going to have to charge actual like a payment method, for example, like USD, euros, whatever it might be. Now you can also customize the wrap options on here as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.